Welcome to the Commercial Real Estate and Lending Conference online event. I'm just going to briefly take you through the tutorial as far as how the platform works. You are currently in the lobby. It lists the agenda. You could look at the agenda by this view, or you can change the view where it just lists when all of the agenda items are happening. You can also go to see who all of our speakers are, and you'll be able to get a little background on who the speakers are and find out a little bit about them. If you click on this tab, you will see the sponsors. When you first arrive, I suggest you go into the exhibit hall. In the exhibit hall, you will find this information desk, which you will find this video on again, as well as you can visit any one of these sponsors. Here's the Genesis Bank. You'll find out a little bit about what the bank is all about. If you want to go back, click the back button, and you'll be able to find a little bit more about each of the exhibitors within. You can choose any exhibitor you wish, and you will find out a little bit more about what the exhibitor has to offer. You can also network with attendees. There is a separate tutorial on that, but basically if you want to network with attendees, you click on their connect button, and when you click on their connect button, they will get a little notification here in the bell, and in that you click on that, it'll tell you all your notifications, and if that person wants to connect with you, I suggest you definitely connect with everybody. And when they do connect with you, you can meet with them via video chat just by pressing onto this. The lounges, if you find yourself, you want to start talking to people and you can't find somebody on your connections, just go to the lounge, enter the lounge, and you will be able to join it, and whoever's in there you can chat with. It's just an open chat, very much like a Zoom meeting. The live presentations, this is where most of you are going to be to watch all of the presentations. You click, I would suggest bookmarking them, and this way it'll remind you where to go. It's in the agenda as well, and you will see where to go and what to do during the day. That is a brief understanding of the platform. We look forward to seeing you, and enjoy your day. Thank you.